Hello, K1 Visa Filers! Hello po, kumusta ang lahat? For this video, I'm just going to share with you what is the total cost right now for applying green card or the adjustment of status. Totoo nga ba na mag-i-increase na naman po sila this April? Is it really true? Magkano na ba yung magagastos namin, especially if you have a K2 applicant applying for adjustment of status with you? Now, if you're new to my channel, mag-subscribe ka na. Click the bell button to get notified on my upload and updates, especially right now with the new process, mga updates, ang dami na pong rules and regulations, ang dami ng mga pagbabago, changes with the visa application, especially with adjustment of status. So don't skip this video, mag-subscribe ka na para hindi ka huli sa balita. So hello everybody. Welcome po. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Jai and Jerry. Hello po, kumusta ang lahat? Kumusta na? Sino ba dito ang mga may interview schedule for their adjustment of status? Binabalik na po nila. They are really scrutinizing, nagvi-vetting na po sila sa mga visa applicant right now, not just green card holders or not just green card application. Sobrang stricto na po nila. Binabalik na nila ngayon yung mga interview. Lucky for those that don't have interview schedule, but those that has or have interview schedule, good luck po sa inyo. Madali lang naman. It's just about you and your husband. Kailan kayo dumating, kailan kayo nagpakasal, ganyan lang naman po yung mga question nila. So good luck everybody. So good morning, good afternoon, or good evening po sa inyong lahat. Anong oras man ninyo mapanood ang video na ito. So yes, again for this video, I'm just going to share with you magkano na nga ba, how much is it to apply for adjustment of status, employment authorization, and re-entry permit, the I-131, especially if you have a K2 applicant with you. Is it true that they're going to have another increase on the fees for adjustment of status? So if you're new here, my name is Jai. I am originally from the Philippines, but I live now in Pensacola, Florida. I got here through K1 visa, and right now I am a green card holder under 2 years conditional po. Next year, early next year po, mag-a-apply na ako ng removal of conditions ko. So stay tuned for that video po. So good luck everybody. So yes, ayun na nga. Just a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agency nor working with or as an immigration attorney. I am not a professional or a legal expert. I'm only sharing based on my personal experience and my research as a DIY filer of K1 visa and adjustment of status. These are all on my personal experience, based on my personal experience lamang po, dahil DIY po ako or do it yourself. Ako lang, we did not hire for help. It's just me and my husband who gathered the documents, who submitted our application, or my application rather. So these are all based on my personal experience. Ayun na nga. So meron daw naglalabasan ngayon na mag-i-increase na naman po this April ang adjustment of status. That is not true po. Hindi po totoo yan. That video or that information is old. Nag-increase po sila April 1, but that was back in 2024. So yung fee po ng AOS right now, the I-485, is still the same, $1,440. So hindi po sila nag-increase, it's still the same, $1,440 po. If you are going to file concurrently with I-765 or the employment authorization or work permit, mag-a-add lang po kayo ng $260, just additional $260. If you're going to file concurrently with I-131 or the re-entry permit or the travel parole or advance parole, that's another $630. Now, see for example, if you applied right now or if you applied last month for adjustment of status and you want to work, there is a work opportunity for you. Somebody is offering you a job, but you can't of course work because you don't have the documents yet. You can apply, you can add on, or you can follow and apply for your work permit right now. And then ang bayad po ninyo, you just have to pay $260, not $520. If you have a pending I-485 and you did not apply you did not apply your I-485 together with your I-765, so long as you have a pending I-485, you can apply for your work permit or the I-765. You just have to fill out the application. You just have to submit, pay the fee of $260. I have a video here on how to fill out I-765. You can just submit it on the lockbox office where your state belongs. So pwede po siya. You just have to pay $260. Made payable if you're going to pay using a check. It should be made payable to the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. So $260 lang po as long as may pending kayo na I-485, kahit hindi nyo po nasabay siya sa pag-apply ng I-485 ninyo. So wala pa siyang increase. If you plan to apply for I-131, $630 po yung bayad for I-131. Same thing, you just need to fill out the form and then submit it to the lockbox office kung saan po nabilong yung state ninyo. Now, if you have a K2 applicant who's going to adjust status together with you, the K1 visa, if your K2 applicant is under 14 years old, 14 years below, ang babayaran niya lang po is $950. If your K2 applicant is going to apply or adjust status together with you, the K1 visa applicant, and your K2 is under 14 years old, the fee po for K2 under 14 is $950. For adults, for $1,440 po yung babayaran ninyo. So yun lang po siya. Always remember, kasi ang iba naguguluhan. Akala nila, yung iba kasi nag-apply lang ng adjustment of status. They just applied for their I-485. They did not apply for I-765. Now, it takes forever to get approved on their I-485. Medyo matagal and they wanted to work na. Hindi sila nag-a-apply ng I-765 kasi akala nila they will pay for the $520. Hindi po. As long as you have a pending I-485 application, you can apply right now for I-765 or the work permit and just pay $260. Pag nag-biometrics na po kayo, tapos na po kayo mag-biometrics, ay parang hindi na po kayo mag-biometrics ulit. They will just use the one that you already did. Ang gagawin nyo na lang po is maghihintay na lang kayo na ma-approve yung work permit ninyo bago ma-approve yung AOS po ninyo para makapagtrabaho na po kayo. $260 lang basta may pending kayo na I-485 application. So that's it so far po as we speak. Wala pa namang increase na nangyayari. Again, those that you hear are back from 2024 when they started to increase the I-485 from $1,225 to $1,440, and it's still the same as we speak right now, April of 2025. So I-485 adjustment of status is only $1,440 if you have K2s with you who's going to apply or adjust their status together with you. If your K2s are under 14 years, all you have to pay is $950 for that K2, and you, the adult, the K1 visa applicant, will have to pay the $1,440. Now, if you're going to apply concurrently with your I-765 together with your I-485, you have to pay $260. And if you're going to apply for 131 or the re-entry permit, that's another $630 po. Yung fee po nila, you have to pay them separately. Separate po si I-485, separate po yung sa anak ninyo, separate din po if you plan to apply for your work permit. Hindi niyo po siya pwedeng ipag-isa na bayad if you decide to pay using a credit card or debit card. Hindi po pwedeng na isahan niyo lang po. Ilagay niyo po siya separately. If you're going to pay using a credit card or debit card, you have to use Form G1450 or the authorization for credit card transaction. Yan po yung form I-1450 if you're going to use a credit or debit card. But if you're going to use a personal check or money order, you just need to use Form G1145. That's for the electronic notification once USCIS receives your application po. So again, you have to pay them separately. Separate for I-485, separate for your K2s, separate for the employment authorization. So wala pang increase. Good luck po sa lahat ng mag-a-apply pa lang ng adjustment of status ninyo right now. You just have to fill out the form, submit the necessary documents para po iwas RFE na rin. I have a video, check this video right here on how I arranged my adjustment of status packet, the cover letter, and the requirements that I submitted together with my application. Nandyan na rin po siya. How to fill out the form I-485, please check this video right here. It's the step-by-step process on how I fill out the form. Also, again, if you plan to apply for work permit, I do have a video right here. Please check this video and another video right here on how to pay for your AOS or adjustment of status. Again, visit my YouTube channel, Jai and Jerry. Go to playlist. Sa playlist po, may album title dyan na K1 Visa and AOS Steps and Guide album. Nandiyan na po lahat. Please, scroll nyo na lang po and hanapin nyo po yung mga videos, mga titles, tingnan nyo na lang po. So, thank you very much everybody. Good luck po sa mag-a-apply pa lang ng adjustment of status nila. Congratulations! Welcome to the US. Congratulations on your wedding. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy married life po. Thank you. Please don't forget to like this video, to share this video to anyone you know that is about to process adjustment of status. Thank you. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!